Hello, I am Nyla Owens. I'm the Director of Portfolio Management and I am responsible for enterprise level capital project reporting. Today I want to give you a short pre-recorded demo to give you a peek at Masterworks and how it will benefit you and Amtrak. Why is Masterworks portfolio management capability important? We have many different portfolios and roles that need better tools and easier ways to manage portfolios. The structure of projects, programs, and portfolios today don't align always with our enterprise department or financial reporting needs. This creates a lot of time consuming work for all parties. We can now allow leadership managers to align and pull reports. However, they don't need to do so by asking for additional reporting or data from project managers. In this scenario, a department portfolio manager wants to add a new project to their portfolio and see how the total portfolio budget is affected. We'll also use portfolio capabilities to monitor the portfolio and individual project budgets. As you can see here, there is a tool called Portfolio. Inside of this portfolio option, you'll see many available portfolios. You'll have the ability to, as a department manager or as a portfolio manager, click New and add a new portfolio. What I'm going to create is the ADA portfolio. We're going to go on ahead and put this year on it as this is the year it's created. We're going to go on ahead and you have the ability to select projects or sub-portfolios to add to this portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and select and add projects individually. As you can see, project details are listed here. For this project specifically that I'm looking for, I know that I'm looking for things inside of a specific area. So what I want to do is sort. I'm going to go on ahead and add these two ADA projects. Of course, this is not all the ADA projects, but this gives you a good example. I'm going to select these two projects and add them. Now, these two projects have been added and attached to this portfolio underneath this ADA portfolio. I don't have the current information for the target for the portfolio, but we're just going to make something up. You can put in here the value if you are aware of the value of your target portfolio as a combined number. I'm going to go on ahead and hit save and continue. Once this is created, I now have the ability to see what this portfolio looks like. As you can see, ADA portfolio now has 2 items associated with it. I also have the ability to look at this portfolio in a Gantt chart view. This Gantt chart view will show me how these 2 projects and the details associated with these 2 projects are, where their status is, their start and end date, how the 2 projects align, and the amount of dollars associated with these 2 projects. So it clearly shows me key information on how these projects line up year over year. And I have this for years 1 through 5, as well as prior years and out years, all for this portfolio with an A's count chart view right here to see how this looks. Now, what I want to also show you is that you can group portfolios together to create a larger or a grouping of portfolios, which is great for departments. So let me go on ahead and say I have a Amtrak portfolio and I'm going to utilize this one and update this portfolio. So for Amtrak portfolio, someone at an enterprise level, I want to be able to look at a couple of these portfolios that have been created together. So in this option, I'm going to go ahead and add ADA to the Amtrak portfolio. So underneath here, there's a sub-portfolio option where I already have capital delivery added, but I'm going to add ADA to it. So it gives me all the lists of available portfolios. And as you can see, 88 portfolios here. I'm going to select and add it. Now I have the capital delivery and ADA both inside of my Amtrak total portfolio. I'm going to save and continue. And underneath my portfolio tree now, you can see that I've added, and under my Amtrak portfolio, I have capital deliveries portfolio, which includes communications and signals. I have a track program, I have electric traction program, I have a bridges program, and I have an ADA portfolio. So the benefits of this is extremely valuable because I can now see the department or the different portfolios and the different programs as they're associated with those. What the lovely view is now is I have this report, and if I look at it in a schedule view, I can actually see all of the projects that are inside, all of the starts and the end dates, and the amounts for each one of these items, see how they rate to my overall total dollars. And I can see year one, year two, year three through year five, the prior amount spent and the total in the out years, as well as be able to see how they stack up against each other with their schedules. What I personally see as a benefit for Amtrak and the PM community is the ability for easily grouping into portfolios and programs for tracking relative to budget, scheduling, and timelines. This aligns the portfolios to a simple reporting without the project have to change anything. Thank you.